Good afternoon. Today, going to show you that if you're a small business, say you're a CPA that actually files taxes for independent contractors and small businesses, you can increase your revenue tenfold by creating a website in less than 5 minutes and boost your revenue. Imagine a city like New York, Washington, D.C., San Francisco. There's a lot of floating population. People move in all the time. They might not have friends and family to look for recommendations for a CPA. So if you have a web presence and they search, you could appear on Google. So here you go. Here are the steps. Number one, share the screen. Go to landingsite.ai and sign up real quick, or you can build a free website. I'm going to say build a free website. And you can type your business name. And if your business name is Smith and Associates, I'm just making one up, CPA, even for the description, go to ChatGPT and say, write a brief description for my website where I provide tax services to small businesses and independent contractors. And boom, here you go. ChatGPT is providing you a very brief description, and you just copy, paste it into your brief description here and include your business name at Smith and Associates. And then say, create a website. Boom, here you go. And then pick your favorite colors or simplistic styles, whichever you prefer. I like my businesses I work with, or even I search for, to have very simple, colorful scheme. So I'm going to pick this template. You can just choose this template. And it says founders, Smith and Associates. Unique value proposition. Again, if you want, we can go to ChatGPT, write a brief sentence about unique value proposition we offer. Bada boom. There you go. You can just copy, paste here, capitalizing, and say build. So it is actually building your website for free in less than 2 minutes that we just saw. And it says actually it should take only 30 seconds. Imagine the power of AI. So small businesses are leaving money on the table if you do not use these quick AI generating tools that will put you in the hands of Google, thereby multiplying your revenue, making yourself actually searchable on the internet. Okay, let's go. There you are. It even asked you if you like these colors. I'll just stick with the colors it gave us and do a quick review. It's also picking some images for you and the buttons and everything, right? So done. Oh my God, look at this. It says federal, state, local. Join the waiting list if you have a newsletter. And you can actually fill in more. Oh my goodness, this sounds so amazing. And even if you want to write some maximizing your tax deduction, go to ChatGPT, write a blog to maximize your tax deductions as an independent contractor. And boom, ChatGPT is going to produce a brief blog. And you know what? in order to make it unique, you can go and edit it based on your experience, obviously, within the tax services industry. Oh my God, there's so much that you can do in less than 10 minutes. So it just gave you a nice blog. For now, I'm just going to copy, go to this and view post. Oh, it even has Ask AI, right? And basically, you can, wherever the blogs appear, blog here, you can link the URL and ask it for now. So I leave it for now. And then you can actually publish the website, and it says you can publish to selected domains. And actually, if you buy your own domain like smithandassociates.com, that costs a little bit money. But right now we will just publish. And here's the link. Say, okay, switch to free images. It actually asks that you have some paid images. So it switched to and publish again. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. In less than 10 minutes, you are going to amplify your reach new customers, and increase revenue. So small businesses do not sleep on AI tools. You don't need to hire a technologist. You don't need to know technology. Hope that you are increasing your revenue by this year end. Good luck.